Picture a life where financial worries are a thing of the past. Imagine waking up every morning with confidence, knowing that you're in control of your financial destiny. That's the promise of the Total Money Makeover. Welcome to the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, the ultimate guide to mastering your finances and achieving true financial freedom. In this comprehensive plan, Ramsey lays out 7 key steps to transform your financial life. Each step is designed to build upon the previous one, providing a solid foundation for long-term success. But before we dive into the details, let's address the burning question. How can you take control of your money and build the life of your dreams? Step 1. Baby Step 1. Save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. Establishing a $1,000 emergency fund is a critical first step in your financial journey. This fund acts as a buffer against life's unexpected expenses, providing peace of mind and preventing reliance on credit cards or loans during emergencies. To quickly save this amount, consider implementing a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses such as dining out or subscription services, and finding creative ways to increase your income, such as freelancing or selling used items online. Additionally, automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund to ensure consistency and discipline. Dave Ramsey shares stories of individuals who have creatively and swiftly saved their initial $1,000. For instance, one couple sold old furniture and electronics on Craigslist, generating enough funds within 2 weeks. Another individual, recognizing the drain of frequent dining out, decided to cook all meals at home, saving over $300 per month, and managed to accumulate the emergency fund in just over 3 months. Step 2. Baby Step 2. Pay off all debt, except the house, using the debt snowball. The debt snowball method is a powerful debt repayment strategy that focuses on behavioral psychology to motivate and encourage debt elimination. By listing your debts from smallest to largest and allocating extra funds towards the smallest debt while making minimum payments on the others, you can gain momentum and experience quick wins as you pay off each debt. This approach provides a psychological boost, fueling your determination to tackle larger debts. To maximize your debt repayment efforts, consider negotiating with creditors for lower interest rates or exploring debt consolidation options to streamline your payments and reduce interest costs. In The Total Money Makeover, Ramsey highlights a couple who were able to pay off $60,000 in debt within 2 years by following the debt snowball method. They started with their smallest credit card debt of $500 and celebrated its payoff within a month. This success motivated them to tackle their next debt of $1,200 and so on, creating a sense of accomplishment and increasing their commitment to the plan. Step 3. Baby Step 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. Building a fully funded emergency fund is essential for financial security and resilience. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cushion against major financial disruptions such as job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected home repairs. To determine the appropriate size of your emergency fund, assess your monthly expenses, including housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance premiums. Additionally, consider your job stability, industry trends, and family circumstances when setting your emergency fund target. Once you've established your fund, keep it in a liquid, easily accessible account such as a high-yield savings account or money market fund for quick access during emergencies. Ramsey recounts the experience of a single mother who saved 6 months' worth of expenses after paying off her debts. She calculated her essential monthly expenses to be $2,500 and saved $15,000 in total. Her fund protected her when she unexpectedly needed to take unpaid leave to care for a sick child, highlighting the importance of this step for financial stability. Before we continue, if you're finding value in this information, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to financial empowerment. Step 4. Baby Step 4. Invest 15% of your household income in retirement. Investing for retirement is crucial for long-term financial success and security. Allocate 15% of your household income towards retirement savings to take advantage of compound interest and ensure a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Start by contributing to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k or 403b, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. Take advantage of the tax benefits and investment options available within your employer's plan to maximize your savings and accelerate your retirement goals. Additionally, consider opening individual retirement accounts, IRAs, such as traditional or Roth IRAs, to diversify your retirement savings and benefit from tax advantages. Ramsey illustrates how consistent retirement investing pays off with the example of a teacher who, after becoming debt-free, started investing 15% of her $50,000 salary. By prioritizing retirement savings and utilizing her school's 403(b) plan with employer matching, she grew her retirement account to over $200,000 in 10 years, setting her on a path to a secure retirement. Step 5. Baby Step 5. Save for your children's college fund. Planning for your children's education is an important aspect of your financial strategy. By saving for their college fund early, you can alleviate the burden of student loans and provide them with opportunities for higher education. Explore tax-advantaged savings plans such as 529 plans or Coverdell Education Savings Accounts, ESAs, to grow your savings efficiently and enjoy tax-free withdrawals for qualified education expenses. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your children's college fund to ensure consistent savings and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Additionally, involve your children in the college savings process by discussing the importance of education, setting savings goals together, and exploring scholarship opportunities. In The Total Money Makeover, a family with 3 children set up a 529 plan for each child. They contributed $200 per month into each account and taught their children the value of saving and hard work. By the time the eldest was ready for college, they had saved enough to cover nearly all of her tuition, reducing the need for student loans and providing her with a strong start to her career. Step 6. Baby Step 6. Pay off your home early. Eliminating your mortgage debt accelerates your path to financial freedom and homeownership. By making extra payments towards your mortgage principal, you can reduce your loan term and save thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of the loan. Consider allocating windfalls, such as tax refunds or work bonuses, towards your mortgage principal to expedite your payoff timeline. Additionally, explore mortgage refinancing options to secure a lower interest rate or shorten your loan term, further accelerating your mortgage payoff. Visualize the financial freedom and peace of mind that comes with owning your home outright, free from mortgage payments and rent obligations. Ramsey recounts the story of a couple who paid off their 30-year mortgage in just 12 years by making bi-weekly payments and applying all windfalls, such as bonuses and tax refunds, directly to the principal. This strategy saved them over $100,000 in interest and provided them with a sense of freedom and security much earlier than they had anticipated. Step 7. Baby Step 7. Build wealth and give. Achieving financial peace involves more than just wealth accumulation. It's about living a purposeful and generous life. With no debt and a secure financial foundation, focus on building wealth through diversified investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and business ventures. Diversification helps mitigate risk and optimize returns, ensuring long-term financial success. Additionally, prioritize giving back to your community and supporting causes you care about. Whether through charitable donations, volunteer work, or philanthropic initiatives, find joy and fulfillment in making a positive impact on others' lives. Embrace the spirit of generosity and gratitude as you continue your journey towards financial freedom and abundance. Ramsey emphasizes the joy of giving through the story of a couple who, after becoming completely debt-free and building significant wealth, established a charitable foundation. They donated a substantial portion of their income each year to causes they were passionate about, such as education and healthcare. Their philanthropy not only made a significant impact on their community, but also brought them immense personal satisfaction and purpose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others start their own total money makeover journey.